I am now doing my evening video. I decided to come down to the Riverwalk in downtown Pueblo. There's hardly anybody down here, but you can see the Christmas lights. Unfortunately, no palm trees down here. I was going to try to find a palm tree, but none today when I'm sliding. I'm going to walk under the bridge here and get some more of the snow which is coming down. The snow has picked up within the past hour here in Pueblo. I would say we have a good 2 to 4 inches in the downtown area. More probably as you head south and west, obviously. I even hear east is bad. I have friends that live out on the eastern suburbs and they are getting really bad out there. I hear Highway 50 going out there is bad. But I get right over here real fast. This is the summer concert where they have the 4th of July celebrations and many of the summer concerts in Pueblo. Pretty out here right now. Not many people have walked. I understand why. It's really cold out here. It's the parking garage. Some more Christmas tree lights. You can see the trees in the distance. I won't be walking that far. Over there is our convention center area. There is some Christmas stuff there. It really looks Christmassy out here. You can see City Hall, Memorial Hall. You can see the tracks where I came from. Just do a nice little circle. Over there, some more Christmas decorations. Let's keep walking for just a little bit longer. Just go just a little bit longer. Maybe we'll stop about now. 2.5 minutes we'll stop. Not going to that bridge. There's just the convention center's down over there. You can see the senior center. A nice little area you can get. You can see the professional bull riding building there. Kind of go around one more time to the AT&T building. This is all for now from the snowstorm in Pueblo. Goodbye.